Hey, what's going on everybody? And this is my Apple Watch Series 7 Nike Edition 41mm unboxing video. Welcome, let's get started. As you can see, this is the Nike Edition Apple Watch. So we get an exclusive black box. Series 7 aluminum case, midnight black, 41mm. So let's get to it. So we just pull these open. Yes, these open up and it reveals the watch. You get these really nice graphics, colorful Apple Watch designs. Just set this down. Over here we have two boxes inside the box, how original. We have the watch itself and the band. So I went for the Nike Sport band, which has these holes in it for great ventilation. As you can see. So let's start with that, I guess, and then the watch. So it's toolless unboxing. You just pull these tabs, just like that. Comes off, and we should be able to open it. There's a pull tab in here as well. We pull that. There it is, Apple Watch, Nike. So we got like some instruction paper, whatever. That doesn't matter for us. This folds open, and these are our bands. You can go for a small medium size or medium large size, whichever one you might have. I have a smaller wrist, so I'll probably just go with the small medium. All right, let's set this aside for now. And then now, let's get to the watch itself. Similar process, just we have two this time around. As you can see, it's Series 7 midnight aluminum, 41mm. Yeah, finally I got it. You just pull on this, and this side as well. And now we can reveal the watch. How do you it just comes off. Maybe it doesn't. What? No, it should come off like so. But it doesn't want to open. Yeah, well. Oh, got it. So here we go. Boom. There it is. So of course, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. This is an exclusive text here because, you know, this is the Nike Edition Apple Watch. So obviously designed by Apple and Nike. So you get like Apple Watch Nike Edition, some quick start guide, how to put on your bands, how to press and charge things on it. Not that interesting. Different language, more information, doesn't matter. So you have the charging cable for it. This is the USB Type-C cable. It opens up like that. So this is the Type-C cable. This allows for faster charging of the Series 7. And then now, this is it. The watch itself. Well, how do I get this out now? Just like that. And I just push it out like this. I hope. Oh, it actually says on here as well, 41mm. I don't know if you can see that. All right, we can just push this out of the casing here. It's pretty difficult to open this up. Maybe I should have opened this. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it comes out, no problem. Just takes a second. Pulls it out like that, and here it is, the watch itself. So as you can see, this is the Nike Edition, Series 7, pretty cool. I mean, midnight black. It's pretty much just black, you know, not that not that interesting of a color, but it's nice. It works with everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you've got the bands here. This is a smaller version or smaller size band. Take this off. Again on here as well, it says Apple Watch Nike. So this just goes onto the watch itself. Let me see. So this goes that way. Yeah, this goes on this way. Should be able to slide it like that. It's on there, really nice. Now we shall slide the other one on, just like that. Clicks into place. Oh no, it doesn't. I've done it to the wrong side. Gotta do it this way. Now it's clicked into place. Yes. Wow. This is the watch itself. I'm super happy. This is like the highest end. If you can get this at a discounted price versus the Series 8, I mean, this is why I got this, because it's cheaper, but it's pretty much the same thing as the Series 8. So I recommend you do the same if you are looking for an Apple Watch. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thanks for watching.